Hello and welcome to our series of tutorials. And today we are going to learn about camera views. So let's get started. I've already downloaded this standard model. And first of all, you go to Animations tab, and inside Animations tab, go to Camera Views. So the very first section, let's add the current view. And as you can see that here, this camera view is added. Let's see what all data it has. It has position, it has the camera position, the camera target, the camera rotation, the up vector and stuff like that. And what you can do is you can always delete the view. And if you're away from the current view, and if you focus this, it will bring you back to the view. You have the name also. So you can change the name to anything you like. And this again will be used later when we will be doing batch processing of models. You can rename it to anything. You can delete the view and you can update the view. So for example, if you're on this view, if you say that, okay, I want to change this, just do the update view. And now you see that the view is updated. So you can do these operations. Let's create some more camera views. So let's go to this, maybe this angle, add this view, delete this backside, add this, maybe from a perspective like this, add view. So you can always go to the next view by pressing focus next, or you can go to the previous view. The interpolation you can change, but this will determine how the camera goes from one view to another view. We always will say to use the spherical interpolation. You can say that how much time you want to mention between applying the view. So it's in milliseconds, so 5,000 milliseconds is 5 seconds here. So now if I focus next, it goes much more slower than 1 second. So it takes 5 seconds to go from one view to another view. You can change what kind of animation you want. So if it is linear, or there are many options, you can play around with these options. Let's say bounce in out. How does it look? So take 1 second to see it quickly. So it's an interesting. Let's make it 3, and so yeah, it's like a bouncing ball effect, like that. So you can play with many other options here. You can loop between all the views, or animate all the views. If I press on animation, it will keep on going from one view to another view. As you can see, let's go back to linear. It has completed the loop, so that's done. Or you can loop all the views. If you press this loop, now if you play, it will keep on looping indefinitely. So now it is just going between different camera views. You can remove the pause time between different views too. Now there's no pause time. It will continue to change between different views. And yeah. Also, you can press the loop camera views here. So if you press this, it will start looping among all the camera views. I think we have pretty much covered what is there in camera views. These will become very handy again in our later use cases. This is one of the very important concepts in the editor. So this covers the camera view. Let's continue our series of tutorials. See you next time. Thank you.